In the V-280, we are the only aircraft that has demonstrated that it has agility at the X that the Army's looking for.
As the guy on the controls doing the agility testing, I can tell you it's more agile than you want it to be.
This aircraft, you're going to have to turn down the agility, whether that's at the X or anywhere else. The capability of the aircraft is probably going to exceed the capability of the pilots. V-280 has demonstrated agility not only in the low-speed hover environment, which would be equivalent to the X, but also in the higher speeds of the full range of capability on that aircraft.
Agility at the X is important because when you arrive at the point of action or at the X, you want to be able to make a rapid adjustment in the requirement that you need to based on threat conditions or based on an obstacle that may be in your landing zone. Based on something that is different about your arrival at the landing zone before you touch down and offload American soldiers, Marines, or airmen off of an aircraft, you want to get the aircraft down safely.
You fly directly to the objective, 53 minutes for the 200 miles, and you fly directly back. So you don't need to put down any footprints in here. Something that we talk about with tilt rotors all the time is the versatility and the operational agility of the system.
You're getting to the objective area twice as quickly, and you're showing all the agility at the X to get those troops inserted and then be able to safely egress the area. The combination of all of that is really a game changer for what you can do in multi-domain operations.
The aircraft can do everything it was designed to do, and that's what we've shown.
Dell's ready, and we're ready to move forward. We respect where the Army is, but if they want to go faster, we're right there with them to get this capability into the hands of the warfighters as quickly as possible.